How to make 10 times more profit while working less than 4 hours a week. What if I told you that you could grow your business, increase your profits, and actually work less? It sounds impossible.
But it's exactly what successful entrepreneurs do through the power of outsourcing. In this video, I'll show you how.
One of the biggest mistakes business owners make is trying to do everything themselves. They write every blog post, answer every email, edit every video, manage social media, and handle customer support. Before long, they're exhausted and have no time left to grow their business.
Here's the secret. Focus on the tasks that make you money and outsource the rest.
For example, you can hire freelancers to write articles, edit videos, design graphics, manage your social media, or handle routine administrative work. This frees up your time to focus on high-value activities like finding new customers, creating products, and building partnerships. Start small. Pick just one task that takes up several hours each week and delegate it to
Someone with the right skills. Create a simple checklist or record a short video explaining how you want the work done. Clear instructions lead to better results. The goal isn't to work harder, it's to build systems that allow your business to grow without requiring your constant attention.
Remember, outsourcing isn't about spending money, it's about investing in
You want to make more profit while working fewer hours? Start outsourcing today. Focus on what you do best and let others handle the routine tasks. That's how successful businesses become scalable.
If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more business growth tips and online income strategies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.